Hello? What is wrong with it? Okay, what's up everybody? Today we're gonna be playing Teardown. So let's go. Let's see. What should I play in Teardown? Oh yeah. What should I play in Teardown? I don't know. Let's try. Let's see. Let's try a robot showcase. Okay, so let's see what we should do. I think we should go over here and do something. I'm gonna launch rockets. Boom! No, he ain't stand a chance. Oh no! Bruh, the strongest one is down. That means we'll have to blow up the others. No, we're just missile testing. Seeing how good it is so we can end AI. Blow up these robots. Have an idea. So end them. Destroyed, boy! You ain't got a chance anymore. Wait! Oh, he's stuck in now. I'm gonna cut his wire. What does hacking even mean? What? Oh no! Crap, okay, no, we have to restart. Okay. Well, we just deleted the entire land. We can come back to it though. Alright, so let me scoot back a little. Hold on. Get my thing. There we go. Alright. Now, back to the gameplay. Let's see, what should I do? Should we? I want to test rocket testing. Alright. That means we can explode it. Boom! Bombing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is okay. Whoa, it like carries. Don't do it. Don't do it. Bruh. Oh! Let's go! Yo! We just killed every single one. This is the only one that I have right now. Okay, so, what should I do now? I kind of want to try something. Let's go to somewhere cool. We need somewhere I can build at, like some open land. I need some building land. Ooh, 2 views, no way. Rooftop player? What? Boy. Y'all, is Teardown multiplayer? I honestly don't know. No, hold on, let me check real quick. I need to do something. I'll be right back to the gameplay, y'all. I'm just testing something. More, new window. Alright, let's see. Good. Let's see if it is, if it's a, is Tear Down a multiplayer game? Let's see. Oh, it's multiplayer! Yo! Oh my god. Hold on. I'm on Xbox. Is Teardown 2 player on Xbox? Well, so Teardown is 2 players. That's crazy. I might have to collaborate with somebody and play Teardown with them. Wait. SS Lock L. Let's try that. I never played that before. I'm not joking. Never played it. Huh. Whoa. It looks like the no! They actually got that music playing. Nah. Luxurious. Why is there a ship here? Where's the music coming from? I think it's... Where is the music coming from? It's getting louder. It has to be some. Move! I know it's getting too loud. Nah. Well, maybe if they turn off the music. What now? What time is it? 8. It's almost 9 o'clock. Hold on. All right, L Crab House. I think I've played that before on a stream, or maybe I've. No. I think I've played here out off stream. Oh no, though. So well it's not letting me play. Oh! So he just revealed his house on my stream. So what are we doing here? Okay, come on. 10 more minutes. Let's see if it's actually 1, 2. Let's see if it actually hits 10 on here. If it does, this thing is right. Oh wait, okay. I think the one on my computer. I think the one. Wait, but so he just revealed his car, his house, his garden. I mean, it's probably it might be a fake. I don't know. Yo, shall we I have an idea. Let's spray paint his car. What should we write on it, y'all? What should we write on it? I want to see in the chat. Yo, what should we write on his car? By the way, it can't be a cuss word. But, what? Type in the chat, what should I write? What should I write on here, boys? You know what? Just let me write. I want to make, Yep. No. No, let's just spray paint his car randomly. Let's see. I want to spray paint like up here or something. I just do not know. What should we spray paint? I might spray paint. I have an idea. Make his car look even cooler. Aw, this sucks. I was gonna make that. No! I messed up. You know what? Alright, it's good. It's golden. You know what? We'll make it even better. Boost that baby up. Come on. What you doing, bro? We need boosters on those things. Get a soda real quick. Thirsty. Well, yo! I just realized something. Batman. We're gonna make the Batmobile. This is my version of the Batmobile. Let's just put some wood on here. This is indestructible. It's an immortal car. Can it survive a bomb? Well, it's still drivable. Bro, it's still drivable. It barely even did anything. That's actually crazy, bro. This guy has like, El Crab has like one of the strongest cars I've ever seen, bro. Oh, well, here's another car. What is that? What is? Whoops. Let's break into his house. All right, we're in his house. Man, stop playing games all day. Go get a job. I'm joking. I'm just saying. Well, come on. 3, 2, 1, go. Go in. So which room should I go to? They're all the exact same door. Ooh, a bedroom. Bro, no, turn off the TV. Stop watching TV. What's in here? Pfft. Bro, he sleeps without a TV. That's crazy. Yo. I'm joking. Oh no, I destroyed his clothes. Well, good luck finding clothes now, because I just destroyed your clothing with a sledgehammer. I'm very sorry. Ah, what's in here? Is this a freezer? What is this? What is that? What is this room? What? I think it's like a, I don't know, like a wash. How many bedrooms does this El Crab have? This is, oh my gosh, yes. If this is a bedroom, what is this? Oh, it's the bathing. It's the restroom. Boom! Yo, this guy actually. Okay, I want to spray paint this one. This one looks luxurious. That's why we're gonna destroy it. I have an idea. I still have paint bomb in there. He would not. No! He's get in the car. Bruh. Okay. Now we're gonna put some. some boosters on it. We're gonna make this the best Batmobile ever. It's gonna be super fast, like ultra fast. Like that's gonna be incredibly fast. Like I don't even know. Then we're gonna. Then we need like indestructible stuff. We need a plank on the windows to protect the guy. There's obstacles on the window so he can still see. Oh, this is incredibly fast. No. Save the tractor. Ah! I want to see if I can push it. Is my character strong? Wait, do you think he's strong? Do you think this guy is strong? That's why we're gonna have to see. Come on. Wow, he's very strong. Whoa! I literally no! The tractor. Come on, man. Can it survive a fall? Ooh. Can it survive even higher? No! No! Into the river. Wait, no. Is this a river? Or am I stupid? Because that looked like a river. Oh no. The plants. Wait, I think you can go to these ones though. We're gonna put some water on it. No, wrong thing. I want to extinguisher. Let's water his plants. Okay, they should grow now. By the way, I'm sorry for breaking the car. How strong is this? Can it blow this car away? Can it even move anything? But a ping top. Oh, the plant. Huh, well this was very fun. Oh my gosh. We're launching bombs through the air. Okay, what game shall we play next, y'all? Wait, no, not game, mod. By the way, on TEARDOWN, like, these mods are free. Like, you can just get them. On the Xbox, you can, I think. Yeah, obviously. How did I get the mods, then, you idiot? Let's play Castle. 8 to 18 minutes, 2 viewers. Wow. 3, 2, 1, snap. Are you kidding me? Oh, crap. Alright, we're good. We can go now. So, ooh, we have to go fix that immediately. That is very flammable. I am not joking now. Does it have to rain, bro? Okay. Bruh, why does it gotta rain? Whoa! Let's do sunny. I want a daytime. Nah, bro, what is this? I saw something new in your house. What is what? Oh, okay, perfect. Let's put the plank as high as it can go. Perfect! No! This is a house. The king's house. He has a table that stretches like that. Then he can go up these stairs. Oh my gosh, how long do these stairs go for? No, I'm falling. Okay, good. good. Huh. We need to put some armor on that. This is Supreme Court's house. You can tell by that. Also, because it has, we need a little. Also, it has scary rocket boosters on it. That'll make it intimidating. Oh no! I just destroyed the house. Oh my gosh. Gosh. What happened, man? I don't like your moves. We're destroying. Oh no, he's firing back with his own strikes. That's so slow, bro. You gotta go faster before I intercept them. Crap. I gotta get out here before my game lags. Oh no. Here I'm coming. This is the safest area. Everybody come here if you want to live. Is it okay? Bruh. Oh no! No! Save it! Save it immediately. Come on, extinguisher, work for me. Okay, we're good. I feel like somebody could fall down that. Oh no! I did not do that on purpose. I swear I did not do that on purpose. Man, we're ruining the town. Wait! We can pick it up. No! It goes below. Oh, I know what I have to do. I have to actually see what Come on, man. Hurry up. You know what? Woo! Yeah, deeper. Whatever. I don't think this door. So we're gonna plant a trap. Okay, let's get back here. Whoa! We blew up the entire house. Alright, that's probably gonna be it for today, y'all. So yeah. First time I'm glad I got 2 views at least. So yeah, peace. Oh, hold on. It changed the name. Change it back to Teardown, you idiot.